Good morning students. Let us revise previous class point. Previous class chapter reproduction in animals. Okay. So what is reproduction student? Reproduction is one of the fundamental feature of all living organism. Reproduction is an essential process. Okay. It's an essential process in biological. What is the reproduction? It's a mode of reproduction. Already you know two type of reproduction. What is the reproduction types now? The first one asexual reproduction. So another one sexual reproduction. So what is asexual reproduction? What is asexual reproduction? Now this type of reproduction only one parent involved. Already you know. So what is a type of reproduction? Abdina, the first one binary fission. Okay, binary fission, budding, fragmentation, cloning, budding. Okay, fragmentation and binary fission. So what is a budding? What is binary fission? The splitting of organism divided into two, that is called binary fission. When the parent body divided into two, each parent body two, so each part is divided into new organism, that is called binary fission. Okay, the best example in amoeba, splitting of organism into two. Okay, that is called binary fission. So next one, budding. What is budding? Means the parent body produce one or two buds. Each buds grow into a new suitable situation or suitable stage. The parent body develop into a new buds. Each bud produce into a new organism. Okay, separate to lead a normal life. For example, what is bud? Small outgrowth. The parent body, that is called bud. For example, this is a hydra. This is bud. Small outgrowth, that is called buds. Already you know. So next cloning. Cloning is nothing but it is a exact genetic copy. Already you know. So next sexual reproduction. What is sexual reproduction? Sexual reproduction it is when two type of parents are involved in the reproduction process. What are the two type of parents? Male gamete and female gamete. So male reproductive organ involved and female reproductive organ involved. So what is gonads? Gonads are the reproductive organ of humans, that is called gonads. Okay va? So next gonads the male reproductive hormone where the female reproductive hormone where. So what are the male reproductive hormone? Testosterone, these are the male reproductive hormone. Pair of testes is present. Okay, so what is the main use of the hormone? Testosterone or hormone, what is the main use of it? It is involved in the gamete formation. So another one involved in the secondary sexual character. What is the meaning of the secondary sexual characters? Developing hot boys. So next, developing the whiskers and beard. These are the secondary sexual characters in boys, especially in boys. So next, and a female hormone. The female reproductive system consists of the pair of ovaries, uterus and fallopian tubes are present. Okay, so what is a female reproductive hormone? Progesterone and estrogen. Already you know the hormone in previous classes. So progesterone, estrogen hormone. What are the uses of the hormones involved in the ovulation process? So next one, it is developing the secondary sexual character. What are the secondary sexual characters in female? Developing breast, in any other menstrual cycle. These are the main important thinking of the secondary sexual characters in hormone, estrogen and progesterone hormone. Okay, so next process is fertilization. What is the meaning of the fertilization? The fusion of egg and sperm, that is called fertilization. Okay, so after fertilization the zygote formation. In today's topic we are going to see about the remaining part of the lesson, developing embryo stage. Okay, developing embryo stage. What is zygote? First the fusion of egg and sperm, that is called fertilization. What is fertilization? The fusion of egg and sperm. Fusion of egg and sperm. Okay, the fusion of egg and sperm, the process is called fertilization. So after fertilization, zygote formation. So zygote is the beginning of a new individual. What is zygote? Zygote is the beginning of new individual. What is zygote? Zygote is the beginning of new individual. Beginning of beginning of new individual. Okay, beginning of new individual, that is called zygote. Okay, the zygote form normally now, for example, this is a egg. This is a egg. This is small sperm. Sperm-like tail-like structure is present. What is the size of the tail? It's easily moved, easily swim to the genital, female genital. That is called sperm. So fertilization. So after fertilization, zygote formation. That is called zygote. Zygote is the beginning of the new individual. Zygote moved down to the uterus. Okay, the zygote easily moved down. The zygote is easily moved down to the uterus and divide. Okay, so move on and divide repeatedly to form a ball of cell. That is called embryo. Okay, so next stage is zygote. Next stage is embryo. So zygote. So next stage embryo. So what is embryo? Embryo is zygote is the beginning of the first cell. The zygote move into the uterus and divide repeatedly to form a ball of cell. That is called embryo. Okay. Do you understand what is embryo? So next the developing embryo. Where is it located? Present in developing embryo. Present in the mother's uterine wall. Okay, where is it present? Present in the mother's uterine wall. Mother's uterine wall. So mother's uterine wall present ஆயிருக்கும். எது? The embryo. Okay va? So next பார்த்தா அப்படினா so இப்போ என்ன நடக்கும்? So repeated cell division, zygote formation க்கு அப்புறமே so repeated cell division நடக்கும். So repeated cell divisions அப்படினா development of tissue and organ systems are developed in the embryo. So அந்த embryoல என்ன develop ஆகும் next? Tissue and organ systems are well developed. Okay, so next stage என்னமா? The development of organ and organ system. Development of organ and organ system. Okay, so next stage, development of organ system. The stages of embryo develop when all the body parts that is called fetus. அதுக்கு பேர் தான் நம்ம குழந்தைன்னு சொல்றோம். Okay, when all the body parts are well developed, that is called fetus. Okay, that is called fetus. Okay, so எல்லா பார்ட்ஸும் டெவலப் ஆனாதான் அது குழந்தை, அதான் கரு அப்படின்னு சொல்லக்கூடிய குழந்தை. ஓகேவா? ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் பார்த்தோம்னா இது நார்மல் டைப். Okay, so what is the first topic என்ன அப்படின்னா what are the sexual types? Reproduction type, asexual type, sexual type already learned in previous classes. So next, what is fertilization? Fusion of egg and sperm, that is called fertilization. So next, zygote formation. After fertilization, the zygote is formed. What is zygote? Zygote is the beginning of the first new individual. So zygote formation அப்புறம் என்ன நடக்கும்? Zygote is moved into the uterus. Okay, and repeat and cell divide repeatedly to the form of a ball of cell, that is called embryo. Okay, where is it present? It's present in the mother's uterine wall. Okay, so next என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னா development of organ and organ systems are cell divide repeatedly and organ systems are well developed in the embryo. Okay, when all the body parts can be identified as, that is called fetus. Okay, when all the body parts can be identified, that is called fetus அப்படின்னு சொல்லக்கூடியது. So next, fertilization ஓட types. What are the fertilization types அப்படின்னா two type of fertilization is present. What are the two type of fertilization? Internal fertilization. So next one, external fertilization. The first one, internal fertilization and external fertilization. Internal fertilization and external fertilization. External fertilization. So what is the meaning of the internal fertilization? When fertilization takes place inside the parent body, inside the, especially parent means female body, that is called internal fertilization. So what is the meaning of the internal fertilization? When fertilization takes place, when fertilization takes place When fertilization takes place inside the parent body, especially inside the parent means female. Okay, inside the parent body, that is called internal fertilization. Okay, so for example, internal fertilization oda example enna sollalam appadina, for example can human beings, okay, and a dog. Example, dog, can, and human beings. Okay, these are the best example. For example, can line first fertilization process. What is fertilization? Fission of egg and sperm, that is called fertilization. After fertilization, zygote is formed. What is zygote? Zygote is the beginning of the first individual, that is called zygote. Already you know. The zygote move down to the oviduct. Zygote enga move agum? Zygote move down to the oviduct. Oviduct to move on. Okay, so the oviduct during this period many productive layers are formed. During the title enna agum? Many productive layers are formed, that is called egg membrane, outer shell appdi sollakuriya. So many membranes are formed. Many membranes formed. What is many membrane? That is called shell. And muttai odu nu solrolla, that is called membrane. Okay, so many productive layers is a hard shell around the embryo. The embryo chutti around the embryo hard shell formed. Okay, so around the embryo, just around the embryo hard shell form agum. Okay, the can sit on the egg to provide warmth during the developing embryo to the developing embryo. Okay, இப்போ என்ன ஆகும்? Can sit on the eggs and provide warm developing embryo. புரியுதா? ஸோ அது நம்ம the process is called incubation. ஸோ இதை தான் தமிழில் அடைக்காத்தல் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஸோ அடைக்காத்தல் என்னமா? The can sit on eggs. The can sit on its egg. Okay, the can sit on its egg அப்படின்னா அந்த can என்ன செய்யும்? அந்த egg மேலே உட்காந்துக்கிறோம். It provide warm. எதை கொடுக்கும்? Provide warm for the developing embryo. Okay, that is called incubation. What is incubation? The can sit on eggs to provide warm for the developing embryo. That is called incubation. இதுக்கு பேர் தான் அடைக்காத்தல் அப்படின்னு சொல்லக்கூடியது. ஓகேவா? ஸோ நம்ம வீட்டில் கோழி வளர்த்துருந்தீங்கன்னா இதை பற்றி உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருக்கும். ஸோ இன்குபேஷனா என்ன அப்படின்னு. இந்த கோழி அது மேலேயே போய் உட்காந்துக்கிறோம். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் இந்த சிக் கேட்ச் அவுட் எவ்வளோ நாளைக்கு கூட கேட்ச் அவுட் ஆகும்னா ஆஃப்டர் 3 weeks. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப்டர் 3 weeks ஆர் 22 days அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஸோ ஆஃப்டர் 3 weeks. ஸோ நியூ இண்டிவிஜுவல்ஸ் ஆர் release or developed. egg catch out என்ன செய்யும்? incubation க்கு அப்புறம் chick catches the egg. catch out என்ன செய்யும்? from new organism னா young chicks. Okay, so easily develop. எல்லாமே ரிலீஸ் வெளியே வந்துரும். easily catch out. Okay, this is the internal fertilization. So next, do you understand the internal fertilization? So next example can. So next external fertilization. What is the meaning of the external fertilization? So external fertilization, when fertilization take place outside the parent body, for especially outside the parent body means outside the female parent body, that is called external fertilization. So what is external fertilization? Fertilization take place when fertilization take place outside the parent body. Outside the parent body. That is called external fertilization. Okay, ma? For example, fish frog. Fish frog. Okay, so the female organism release the egg. Female lay eggs in the form of colloid substance. It look like a jelly mari enna seiyum? Egg vandu lay பண்ணிரும் in water. Mainly frog, especially in frog laying eggs in water. Okay va. So next male frog also releases some sperm in water when in contact next pathina. So illa enna nadakuna they are come in contact with the egg in his sperm. Fertilization take place in fertilization. Anga fertilization enga appo meet பண்ணுதோ egg sperm anga fertilization நடக்க ஆரம்பிக்கும். What is fertilization? The fusion of egg and sperm, that is called fertilization. For example, this is egg, this is sperm. When it come in contact with the sperm and egg, this is called fertilization process. So after fertilization அப்படினா என்ன ஆகும்? The zygote formation ஆகும். So rabbit cell the zygote is further divided into to form a next stage tadpole அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். அது 3 distinct layers உண்டு. இதுல என்னன்னா எக்குக்கு அப்புறம் zygoteக்கு அப்புறம் tadpole. So next adult. So இது egg, tadpole, adult. For example, this is egg, okay. There's a fuse ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம் next என்ன சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா tadpole. For example, this is tadpole. இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும், குட்டியா இருக்கும். So tadpoles look like a fish appearance. சின்ன fish போன மாதிரி இருக்கும் வாட்டர்ல. So next it's with the tail is present in tadpole stage. So next normal frog. So normal frog na இந்த மாதிரி. So இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும். This is called metamorphosis அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Metamorphosis is a process. Metamorphosis அப்படிங்கிறது என்ன? Is a process which insect or any other organisms, especially in a frog and a butterfly, okay va. So amphibians இருக்கலாம், grow the changes from the larva to adult, that is called metamorphosis. Okay, larva ல இருந்து அது எப்படி எக்ல இருந்து is converted to adult அப்படிங்கறதா metamorphosis, உருவ மாற்றம் அப்படினு சொல்லுவாங்க. So metamorphosisல some hormones also involved. So what are the hormones are also involved in metamorphosis அப்படினு பாத்தீனா metamorphosis the process la involve ஆகும். What are the hormone அப்படினா the especially in frog la, so two type of hormone, thyroxine and prolactin involved. Thyroxine and prolactin hormone involved. Okay va. The thyroxine அப்படிங்கற ஹார்மோனுக்கு என்ன வேணும் அப்படினா iodine is essential for the thyroxine formation. So iodine is very very important. So sometimes iodine water la வந்து iodine content is very less அப்படினா lack of iodine is present in the water content அப்படினா this type of frog is not converted to adult. அந்த ஸ்டேஜ்ல தான் இருக்கும். Because அது metamorphosis converted to adult stage அப்படினா hormone is very very essential. So this type of thyroxine hormone is absent or iodine content is very low in water, lack of water அப்படினா this type of frog is not converted to adult frog. Okay, adult மாற வாய்ப்பே கிடையாது, அப்படியே தான் இருக்கும். ஓகேவா. will not metamorphosis into adult frog, will not metamorphosis. what is the meaning of metamorphosis? அது உருவ மாற்றம் அடையாது, அப்படியே tadpole-ஆவே தான் இருக்கும். Because the hormone is very absent or is very low அப்படினா. So sometimes the hormone is present in normal level அப்படினா that easily is converted to larva to adult process. This is called metamorphosis. Okay va. So metamorphosis la what are the hormone mainly involved அப்படினா thyroxine hormone and prolactin hormone. Okay, the thyroxine hormone க்கு என்ன வேணும்? Iodine is very very essential for the thyroxine formation of thyroxine க்கு iodine is very very essential. Okay va. So next one oviporous and viviporous அப்படினு சொல்வாங்க. So what is the meaning of the oviporous? Oviporous and viviporous. So what is oviporous? Those animals oviporous and viviporous. Those animal okay. So what is the meaning of the viviporous and oviporous அப்படினா? What is the meaning of viviporous அப்படினா? Those animal which give birth young ones, they do not lay eggs, that is called viviporous. Okay, they do not lay eggs, they do not lay eggs. ஓகே ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி டைப்ஸ் ஆஃப் அனிமல் என்ன செய்யாது, அது தமிழில் ஒன்று சொல்லணும்னா குட்டி போடுறது தான் விவிபோரஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. ஓகேவா? ஸோ விவிபோரஸ் அப்படின்னா குட்டி போடுறது. ஸோ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஓவிபோரஸ் அப்படின்னா ஓ அப்படின்னா எக். ஸோ முட்டை போடுறது நாமத்தில் உனக்கு ஈஸியாக வச்சுக்க மைண்டில். ஸோ வாட் இஸ் மீனிங் ஆஃப் த விவிபோரஸ் அப்படின்னா those animal which give birth young ones. ஓகே those animals which give birth young ones. young ones என்ன, அதே மாதிரி young ones பெற்றுடுங்க. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஹியூமன் பீயிங்ஸ், டாக், கேட். எக்ஸாம்பிள் dog, cat and humans. Okay, human beings. Okay, human beings do not lay eggs. நம்ம egg lay பண்ண மாட்டோம். For example, it is frog or good, even fish or good, lay only eggs. Okay, that is called oviporous. What is the meaning of the oviporous அப்படினா those animal which lay eggs. Those animal which lay eggs. Those animal which lay eggs. Say which lay eggs. So do not produce directly young ones. Do not produce directly the young ones. So for those animals which lay eggs அப்படினா only the first எதை தான் lay பண்ணும். Example can, already I said, already I told. So already said the eggs can பத்தி சொன்னோம். So those animals which lay only eggs first. So next தான் ஆகும். So egg தான் அது lay பண்ணும். So அதுல இருந்து என்ன சொல்றோம், do not produce organ directly. டைரக்ட்டா அப்படியே வந்துராது. கோழில இருந்து அப்படியே வந்துரா. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எனக்கு என்ன ஆகும், எக் லே பண்ணும். அது எக்குக்கு அப்புறம் நெக்ஸ்ட் இன்குபேஷன் பீரியட். ஆஃப்டர் இன்குபேஷன் பீரியடுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் எக் கேட்ச் அவுட் ஆகி நியூ யங் ஒன்ஸ் இஸ் டெவலப்டு. தட் இஸ் கால்ட் ஓவிபோரஸ். எக்ஸாம்பிள் chick, frog. These are the best example of oviporous. Okay ma? So okay, so what we have learned today ma, the first topic. So the reproduction animals unit chapter is finished. Okay, the lesson is finished. Now what is what we have learned today? The first one, reproduction in animals la. Already you know the two type of reproduction. What is reproduction? What are the type of reproduction, mode of reproduction? Two types, asexual reproduction. So another one sexual reproduction papa. So next, so what are the type of asexual reproduction அப்படினா budding, fragmentation, binary fission, cloning. Okay, so next sexual reproduction, what are the male reproductive system and female reproductive system and what are the organs and what are the hormones are involved in the individually in the female reproductive system and male reproductive system. Okay, next development of embryo. What is embryo? What is zygote? What is zygote? Zygote is the beginning of the new individual. What is the embryo? What are the stages of developing embryo? Okay, so next what is fertilization? Fertilization is a two type of fertilization, internal fertilization and external fertilization. What are the animals are involved in the internal fertilization and external fertilization process. Next, metamorphosis. What is metamorphosis? Metamorphosis is a process, one of process. Okay, so what are the hormones are involved in the metamorphosis process? Which hormone is very very important? Thyrosin and prolactin, especially in iodine is very very important for the metamorphosis process. Okay, so next one, what is viviporous, what is oviporous. Okay, so now today home assignment. What is viviporous? What is difference between home assignment? Difference between oviporous and viviporous.